how to schedule a meeting and share a link. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Zoom on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the schedule option you see there on top of your screen, and now you will be led to the interface from where you can schedule a meeting. So first things first, go ahead and enter the topic for your meeting and then add in the description for your meeting. Further, go ahead and set the date and the time of your meeting and also set the duration of your meeting. Additionally, go ahead and set your time zone and then go ahead and enter the invitees of your meeting. Further, you can then go ahead and choose your meeting ID or generate it automatically. You can then go ahead and select a template for your Zoom meeting. Also, if you want a whiteboard in your meeting, you can tap on the add whiteboard option you see there and then go ahead and change the settings for your whiteboard. Once done, you can then go ahead and choose the docs if you want to upload any kind of attachments to your meeting. Also, if you want your meeting to be password protected, you can go ahead and set a security code for your meeting. And if you want users to wait in the waiting room, then you can check the waiting room checkbox here. Also, if you want your meeting encrypted, then go ahead and select the encryption radio button as per your preference. And if you want AI companion, then go ahead and check in the checkboxes for AI companion. Additionally, go ahead and make all the other required changes for your meeting and then tap on the save button you see there. And with this, your meeting will be scheduled. You can then tap on the copy invitation option you see there, and with this, your meeting invitation will be copied with the link in it. You can then go ahead and tap on the copy meeting invitation again, and with this, it will be copied. You can then go ahead and send it to anyone you want. You can also add in to Google Calendar and then go ahead and share it with other people in Google Calendar. Or you can simply copy the invite link you see here and paste it further. So this was about how you can schedule a meeting and share a link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.